This is how you fade out a skin line done with a foil shaver. First, with a foil shaver, just go under the skin line and flick out. Create an open blade barrier. Put your invisible line just under the barrier. Close the lever, go up to it and flick out. Close your lever a little bit more. Put your invisible line in slightly lower than the last one. Then come from under the skin line, go through to the invisible line and flick out. Look how I'm being light with my strokes, guys. I'm just making sure to do correct strokes. You don't have to be tough with it and you'll see how this works out. So I keep closing the lever and going from under the skin line and flicking out. And look how it's disappearing. Now it's fully closed and I'm just touching the skin line. Now I'm working in the top with the 1.5 open, then close, then drop down to the open number 1, come from underneath through and flick out, close the lever, then go through and flick out. Do this a number of times and look how it's blending now. Once you get to the end of the haircut, refine it, going over that skin line again, and look what we have. You've been in the cut with SliderCuts. Make sure to save and rewatch this video.